This video is to share with you the process of growing the pigeon peas from sowing the seeds to harvesting, and I will also share with you a simple recipe using the fresh pigeon peas. Hey everybody, the plant you see behind me, the very tall plant, that one over there, is what is known as the pigeon pea plant. It is also known as gongo peas or gandules. Where I come from, we refer to it as nkunja. A few months ago, when I picked up a pack of the pigeon pea seeds, I did not have anywhere to go for information to actually see how to grow the pigeon peas from seeds right up to the point of harvesting, which is why I decided to document the process to share with you. Here I have my pigeon peas, the northern adapted pigeon peas from True Love Seeds. This is how much you get in a pack of seeds. I'm gonna only soak 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're just gonna put some water in here. Then let it soak. Tomorrow we'll plant them. It's been about 12 hours of soaking the peas. Now it's time to plant them. This is potting mix soil that I have. I'm gonna plant 1 seed per hole. I have what I'm growing and the date, 28th of February, pigeon peas. Then I'm gonna go sit this on my heat mat. Look at what we have. Today is March the 3rd. So it's been 4 days and we have a germination of our pigeon peas. Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna plant my pigeon peas in ground today. Pigeon peas are sun-loving plants, so make sure you find a spot in your garden where they will receive full sunlight for at least 6 hours a day. Pigeon peas also thrive very well in well-draining soil, so before transplanting, make sure you enrich your soil with compost for added nutrients. As the pigeon pea plants grow, you would notice lovely green foliage and eventually very beautiful flowers. These flowers attract pollinators to the garden, and eventually the flowers will become pods that will be filled with the mature peas. Guys, look at this. Look at this. The pigeon peas have all of a sudden just shot up. It's growing wild and it is producing a lot of flowers and a lot of pods for me. I think I should harvest some. My pigeon peas over here, finally, it grew. I was really getting worried because it stayed at this level for a very long time. And then all of a sudden, boom, I think it was waiting for the summer heat. So if you're thinking pigeon peas cannot do well in North America, there is a particular variety that will produce pods for you. See, I have tons of pods on this one. I've been harvesting them. I wait for the pods to get dry on the plant and then I come back here and harvest. So how can you tell when the pigeon peas is ready for harvesting? You can harvest the pigeon peas fresh, or you can wait until it is dry and then harvest. If you want to harvest fresh for eating, you have to harvest when it is green and plump. At this time, the color will turn from a deep forest green to a lime green color. If you want to wait until it is dry for seed saving or for storage, then you have to wait until the pod turns brown and it would have a rattling sound when you shake it. So guys, my experience of growing the pigeon peas was a very good one. I did not experience any pest or disease pressures. We had a very rough summer. It was hot, it was dry, but my peas thrived through it all. One of the reasons why I wanted to grow the pigeon peas, apart from getting food from it, was so that I could get shade in my garden, and the pigeon peas provided me with that. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if it's adding value to you. I do sincerely appreciate your encouragement and your support. Continue watching for a simple recipe on how to use the freshly harvested pigeon pea. So this one has a mix of the fresh and the dried ones, and I'm going to separate out the dried peas from the fresh. These are dried. So we're gonna pick out the dried ones from the fresh. See, some have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some have 3 peas in there. All right, let me show you my process of shelling the fresh peas. Grab the part like this. I just snap it, then peel it, remove the pea, peel it, remove the pea, another one, snap. So here are the fresh peas, shelled, and then in here we have the dried pigeon peas, shelled. See the differences in color? This one is green to cream, and then here it is brown. So I'm gonna save these for seeds, shelled. You can also choose to leave the pods whole if you're saving them for seeds.